Welcome back to the interior presentation on this 2013 RX with non-navigation. We're looking at the light stock. The end cap here controls the lights. In the downward position it says driver's lights off. One click up is auto, parking lights, and manual lights. The only time you'd ever want to use manual lights is if it was foggy out. Sometimes our sensor does not always pick up when to turn on the auto lights when you're running through fog. This would be a good indicator when to use it. This right here, this inner switch, is meant for the fog lights. Blinkers. By pushing up, you go in the right. Pulling down, you go towards the left. By using your brights, you can pull back towards you, and you have the bright indicator just above the temperature area. When the lights are on, and you want the lights to be bright all the time, simply press this long stalk forward. Radio controls, as well as the multi-information display. We're going to go over this first and then come back to the radio. The multi-information display is housed right here between the tachometer and the speedometer. By using the up and down arrow above and below the enter button, you're going to see different things change on that screen. Eco off, current miles per gallon, after refueling, or actually I should say average miles per gallon, average speed, and average cruising range. Part of the cruising range feature, when you get down to about 30 miles, that's appropriate when you should fill up. If you try to go any lower and you think, I'm going to get this down to 1 mile left in the tank, that's not exactly good for the fuel pump or for the vehicle. And you definitely want to have the peace of mind that you can get to the gas station as well. So those features are right here on the steering wheel, these up and down arrows. Just below you have a menu item. That menu item is going to show you ECT snow mode. If you wish to activate it, hit enter, and that is going to give you more conservative takeoffs in the winter and starting you out in second gear. The phone feature, talk switch, as well as hang up and picking up a phone call when it's coming through. Now this vehicle has traditional wipers, which are very nice. Right now you're going to see that it says mist, off, intermediate, low, and high. So if I wish to use those, I can go down one, and that's going to be your timed wiper, low wiper, and high wiper. This here is going to be the time mechanism as to when the wipers are going to come across the windshield. And at the very end cap is going to be the rear wiper. This is going to be the intermittent wiper and the on wiper, which is going to be shown back here, going back and forth the back tailgate. If you wish to clear off your wiper or the windshield area, you're going to you're going to kind of move your hand towards yourself, and that is going to make the windshield wiper solvent come across the front windshield. If you'd like it to be on the back windshield, you're going to simply turn down this switch or go all the way up, and it's going to clean it off as well. Cruise control is controlled by this outer button. Right here is your cruise indicator. When set, when you're going down the road and you get to a certain miles per hour, hit set. If you were to happen to see a situation, you can cancel and then resume.